Hi, this is Teacher Nansen from Think Academy, and this is the TASMO pre-competition briefing video. In this video, you will know the information of this competition and the instructions on how to take part in this competition and the awards you will receive. For the location for the exam, you have two sites to choose from. The first one is called Legacy, which is located within the hill at 1 North. And the other one is just in our biggest teaching site, which is Think Academy at Granzhou Hall, Taiseng. So you can just input the zip code into the Google Map and find the best route. And for the timing, for K2 to P3 students, your exam will be held on 31st October, which is a Thursday and a public holiday. For K2 students, your exam will be from 11:20 to 12:20. And for P1 student, it will be from 1 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. And for P2 students, your exam will be held from 9 o'clock to 10:30. And for P3 students, your exam will be held from 3 to 4:30 p.m. And for P4 and P5 students, you're going to take the exam on a different date, which is on the 4th of November, which is a Monday. And the time will be from 6 to 7:30 p.m. So you can just take the exam after school. And pay attention. Please don't get the time and location wrong. And for K1 students, everything will be a little more special. You have two sites to choose from, which are both our teaching sites. The first one is from Square 2 at Novena, and the other one is still from Granzhou Mall at Taiseng. And this test for K1 student will be held on 11th November, and we have two timings to choose from, 4 to 5 p.m. or 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. And here are some key information about the competition. For different grades, we have different number of questions, different durations, different formats, different question types, and different marking schemes. So I suggest you press the pause button and take a closer look of the grade that you're going to take part in. And for the things that you can bring into the examination classroom, you must bring your photo ID card or your primary school easy link or just your birth certificate. And you must bring your printed entry proof, which was in your mailbox. And you can also bring your stationeries like pen, a pencil, an eraser, and your ruler, and your water bottle. And in case of the temperature in the classroom is too low, you better bring your jacket with you. And one more thing, no calculators allowed. And for the information on the entry proof, you can read the child's name and the level that you're going to take part in. And more importantly, the index number, because you have to copy the index number onto the answer sheet. And then you can read the exact venue and how to get there, and the exact date for the exam, and the reporting time, the start time, and the end time that when you can pick up your child. And here is the example on how to shade your index number on the answer sheet. Our index number consists of 6 digits. So you have to shade each of the digits in the corresponding circle, just like shown in the diagram. And why do we offer answer sheet for students to fill in? It's because for other contests like TASMO, SMKC, and etc., you have to fill in and shade in an even more complex answer sheet. So you can just take this TASMO as a trial for filling the answer sheet. And in our answer sheet, for MCQ, you just need to shade the right answer in the answer sheet. But for short answer questions, you just need to write the right answer inside of the blanks. And since the kids in K1 and K2 are still very young, we don't ask them to fill in the answer sheet. They just need to fill in the answer on the paper under the guidance of our teacher. And here is the most exciting part that all you guys are interested in, the awards. We have 4 levels of the awards: platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. So for platinum, top 3 scorers or top 3% in each grade level, whichever with more medalists will get this award. For example, if we have 60 students for this grade, 60 times 3% is only 2, but we will still have 3 platinum medalists. But if there are 200 students in this level, we will use 200 times 3%, which is 6 medalists in this grade. Okay, and for gold medalists, that will be top 8% apart from platinum. And for silver, that will be top 9% to 20%. And for bronze, that will be 21% to 50%. And apart from medals, we offer even more abundant prizes. For platinum medalist, you will have $300 cash, and you will have the opportunity to join our elite program and study with us for term 1 and term 2 for totally free. And for a gold medalist, you will have $100 cash and $500 scholarship for 2025 Term 1 Think Academy Math Olympiad long-term course. And for silver medalist, you will have $100 scholarship for 2025 Term 1 Think Academy Math Olympiad long-term course as well. And for bronze medalist, you will have a certificate of achievement. And after the exam, you will know your results around 4th November for K2 to P3, and also you will know your results on 7th November for P4 and P5. And here is a sample for your report. So we're going to send this analysis report into your mailbox so you can see what is your score and which questions you did wrong and what you're good at and bad at in different modules. And we will hold our prize giving ceremony on 10th November, which is a Sunday. So you can just go to this SIM Performing Arts Theater to enjoy the glory time together with your kid. Last but not least, you can scan this QR code for more sample paper and tutorials. See you guys at TASMO.